In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a neon effect in Canva. To get started, open your Canva design and take a moment to look at the text or graphic element you want to enhance. This effect works especially well on titles, short phrases, and bold design elements that you want to stand out. Before making any changes, it helps to think about the overall look of your design so the neon effect feels intentional and not overpowering. Once you've found the text or element you want to edit, click on it to select it. Make sure the correct object is highlighted because Canva only shows editing options for the item you currently have selected. If you're working with text, this is a great way to give your headline a glowing, illuminated style. If you're using another design element, the same idea applies. You're adding visual emphasis to make it more eye-catching. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where Canva keeps a variety of styling options that can quickly change the appearance of your selected item. When the Effects panel opens, look through the available choices and select Neon. As soon as you click it, you'll see the effect applied to your design, giving it that bright, glowing appearance. After that, adjust the intensity to control how strong the neon effect looks. This step is important because the right intensity depends on your design. A softer setting can give a clean and polished glow, while a stronger setting can create a more dramatic and energetic look. If the effect feels too harsh, simply lower the intensity until it blends more naturally with the rest of your layout. If it looks too subtle, increase it a bit so the glow is more noticeable. Finally, preview your design and make sure the effect complements your overall style. This is where you check whether the neon effect improves the design or distracts from it. Pay attention to readability, balance, and how the glow looks against your background colors. A good neon effect should highlight your content without making it difficult to read or visually overwhelming. Take your time with small adjustments, because even minor changes can make a big difference in the final result. Once everything looks balanced and polished, your Canva design will have a vibrant neon effect that adds extra personality and visual impact.